Hey traders, hope you're doing well today. We are going to look at gold analysis. These all drawings are since the previous times. During the previous analysis from the top, I was looking at this potential head and shoulder pattern. However, the price was transformed in a different way and it lost the bullish volume close to the top after creating a new higher high. Later, it was published this analysis. I was expecting for this bear flag to take the shape here, and later we can see that from this point price moved down very well and it reached almost all the targets. So what may happen in the current position where the price is right now, and what happened that the price is already rising at this moment. So let's delete these structure zones because they are not valid anymore. The upper part is still valid, as you may see. In the current position, we may observe that price already tested a very strong support area near this zone. Sometimes it doesn't have to be perfect, in my opinion, as long as we are talking about zones and not for specific price reversals. On the left side of the structure, we may see that we had strong selling pressure at this point, and after the price broke out from this area, we may see a bullish continuation movement. So the same zone is stopping the price to move lower for the moment. We may see the lowest low that was created at 1804, and we have also another structure close to this area. So this zone here, just a moment, at 1858. So this is the area that I'm looking at for the moment. This is the first zone where the price may face the strongest resistance. As you may see today, it was not clear how the price developed. This zone was very small, it was very weak. I was looking at this structure zone, but it was very risky to join this bullish wave here also before, because the trading volume against gold was very aggressive, was very low as well, and it was very dangerous movement. In the current position, the type of correction that I'm waiting is this possible correction, an ABC movement that may happen. And if we are going to increase the time frame in the 4-hour, we may see that price can take this shape. Probably if 1860, let's say, will hold, the chances are that the price may come close to the bottom again, and any breakout from the previous structure may push the price further from this point. Otherwise, the price can continue to develop this structure even more. So this is the first scenario that I'm looking at. The current bullish movement that already happened here, it was a strong reason. Today we had the initial jobless climbs, as you may see, they came higher than expected. The previous week it was 190, it was expected 195, and it came 211k. For all of you that don't know, you can just take a random website for the news events and you'll see that this is an important indicator. Every Thursday, the US Department of Labor publishes the number of previous weeks' initial claims for the unemployment benefits in the US. You can read more on the downside about the effect. However, this is very important. Claims for unemployment benefits in the US. It means that the higher is this number, the higher is the unemployment rate. And this impacts directly the non-farm payrolls that we are going to have tomorrow. So let's suppose that we have for 4 consecutive weeks higher jobless claims, then it will impact the non-farm payroll data to come out lower than it was expected from the previous month. So this is the effect. Considering that the jobless claims here came higher than expected before, now the market is anticipating that probably the non-farm payroll data, that are the employment data for the US, they will come lower than expected, and this is not a good thing related for the job market. If you are going to read what is the non-farm payroll data, you will see that economists expect non-farm payroll data to have risen but around 200,000 in February. And this is a description: wage growth plays a critical part in determining the outcome given its impact on inflation. So the market is just anticipating a very small number for the US non-farm payroll data. So probably what is expected from news agencies can be in line with the expectations. So this is why the market reacted in an aggressive way 2 hours ago when the news was reported, and here we have the bullish wave. If the market is going to hold this bullish volume, the chances are high that it may stop close to this area, we may see an retest, and probably it may continue to complete the pattern here. Tomorrow, if the numbers of the non-farm payroll data will come very low or lower than it is expected from the market, the chances are that the price may break through the zone and it may test also the next zone that is going to be critical. But I would like to stay with this small structure here because in my opinion it fits better in this moment. So these are the possible scenarios that we may focus on gold right now. I know that these are too many scenarios, but this is the current situation for gold. So that's all for gold. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to follow and hit the like button. Thank you. Bye bye.